Hello and welcome to Nkumat Online Academy. In today's lesson, we want to look at savings. We want to talk about savings. Savings means the amount of money that somebody keeps aside to spend in the future. So the amount of money that somebody is keeping from his income, maybe on monthly basis, on hourly basis, or on daily basis, so that you'll be able to spend it in the future time is what we call savings. We can determine the savings or the amount that will be saved in a given period or in a given duration by following these procedures. The major thing to get is the amount that is saved per given time and then the duration. For you to get it, you may need to get the total amount of the money that is saved or the total amount that the person is making. Then you try to get the amount that is saved, maybe daily, weekly, hourly, monthly, or any other way that the money is saved. Then you get the duration that you want to determine how much you would have saved by that time. Maybe 2 months, in 4 months' time, what would have been saved? In 6 months' time, what would have been how much would have been saved? Then you multiply the amount that is saved by the duration that you want to determine how much would have been saved by that time, and that will give you the savings for that duration. Now let's look at an example. In this example one, a man saves 10,000 naira each month from his monthly salary of 72,800 naira to be able to pay school fees for his 3 children. How much will be saved in 4 months? Now, our major aim is to determine the amount that is saved per given time and then the duration. Solution: the salary is 72,800 naira. Can we get the amount that is saved from this salary? It is given to us straight that the amount that is saved is 10,000 naira. So we are interested in that 10,000 naira. Each month the man saves 10,000 naira. Then how much will be saved in 4 months? The duration. How long are we saving this money? 4 months. So we have duration is this is equal to saved, amount saved, duration D is equal to 4. Then the amount saved after 4 months is equal to amount saved after 4 months is equal to the saving per time times duration, which is equal to saving per a month is 10,000. 10,000 times 4, which gives us 40,000 naira. So the man will be saving 40,000 naira in just 4 months if the man is saving 10,000 naira every month from his salary. Example 2. A man saves 12,000 naira each month from his monthly salary of 72,800 naira to be able to pay school fees for his 3 children, amounting to 74,400 naira in a year. How many months will it take the man to save enough money for the school fees? Out of 72,000 naira, 72,800 naira, the man is saving 12,000 naira each month. And the amount that the man has to spend in a year for the school fees is 74,400 naira. So the question is asking us, how long will it take the man to save up to 74,400 naira? We are interested in the amount that is saved per given time. Solution: amount saved per given time is 12,000 naira. It says 12,000 naira per month, each month. Then the duration that we are looking for duration. How many months? We don't know the duration. So let's call the duration X or D. We don't know duration D. Then the amount that is needed to be saved in that duration is 74,400. So amount A is equal to 74,400 naira. Now, we said that to get saving, we multiply the amount saved per month by the duration. So amount saved is equal to the saving times the duration, which is D. Now we have amount and we have saving, but we don't know D. So we put everything there. We put everything there. So we have that amount saved is 74,400. 74,400 is equal to the saving per month is 12,000 naira, is equal to 12,000 times by the duration. We are looking for the duration, how long, which is D. Now that means that D is equal to 74,400 divided by 12,000. Divided by 12,000. And that is going to give us 6. This 6 is in months because the man is saving per month, so we have 6 months. So it will take the man 6 months to save the amount of money that he needs to pay his children's school fees in a year. So the answer is 6 months. So you can see that we can calculate the amount, we can also calculate the duration, we can also calculate the savings made using the procedure or using the formula given. So the actual thing is for you to know that the amount is equal to the saving times the duration. That is the formula. Amount is equal to saving times the duration. Once you put all of them together, you know which one is missing, and then you look for that one, and it is as simple as that. Now let's look at another example. A trader saves 5% of her weekly income of 15,000 naira. How much will she save? How much will she be able to save in 12 weeks? In 12 weeks. In 12 weeks. Now solution. A trader saves 5% of her weekly income. Now, what is the amount saved weekly? They gave us the amount in percentage. In our previous lessons, we learned how to determine the percentage from an amount given. And for you to determine the percentage from the amount given, you write the percentage, divide it by 100, and multiply by the amount, which is now 5% of 15,000 is equal to 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 15,000. That is the income. I said that the first step is always to get the income, then and try to determine the amount saved monthly from the income. So we use this percentage to determine the amount saved monthly from the income of 15,000. So that is 5 over 100 divided by the income, which is equal to 15,000. To determine the amount from percentage given, divide the percentage given by 100 and multiply by the amount you have, which is 5 over 100 multiplied by 15,000. It is going to give us, this is going to give us 7,000 7,000 is going to give us 750 naira. 5 over 100 multiplied by 15,000 will give us 750 naira. So this is the amount that the woman saves every week. We just converted the percentage to amounts. So the woman is saving 750 naira every week. Now, how much will she be able to save in 15 weeks? In 15 weeks. Now here, remember from the formula that amount is equal to, that is the last step. We multiply the amount saved per given time by the duration. Now the amount saved per given time is 750 naira and the duration we are looking for is 12 weeks. So the amount now is equal to 750 multiplied by 12. That is, this is the saving and this is the duration, S times D. So this will give us 750 multiplied by 12 will give us 9,000 naira. So in 12 weeks, the woman would have saved 9,000 naira if she's saving 750 naira every week. So this is the answer, 9,000 naira. So this is how to determine saving amount, and we've seen how to determine the duration from the formula or from the procedure, and also how to determine the amount. You can also determine the amount from percentage if the amount is given to you in percentage. So that is why we discussed percentage before, so that if something like this comes up, you'll be able to determine the amount from the percentage given to you, and then you use it to get your income, and then use it to now solve your problem, or get the actual amount that is saved per a given time. I hope that this lesson is very clear and easy to understand. Thank you.